You're trying to catch the guy. You're trying to catch the female. That's the best. And you're waking up and giving me 70%. You're giving me 80%. But yet you have these dreams that you're going to be the best. How?
I mean, that's too spicy for me, you know.
Yeah, see the crushes on this one, she said.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never could it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Welcome back to another episode of Suemmerthon. Yes, I'm doing another rating try-on haul today. This is like the second one I'm going to be doing, so on know the vibes already. Mommy and Shami I judge it. They're already rating my skimpy outfits. Yeah, that's the vibes that today's vlog is starting off with. I know you guys love the try-on hauls. I love doing hauls too, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some pieces from Fashion Nova. So okay, so we got a bunch of packages, and then when we get the package, then we were all like, it was like a lot. But you know, this was the only package where they couldn't see what was in it in camera, and they were like bugged. But yeah, so I'm finally gonna try them on. So let's see what they think. Let's get to it. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah. So are you ready for today try on haul?
Long time.
Alright. First outfits come in.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Of course, I like it. Come on here, so.
Much of your food.
I like it. Look, that is 10 out of 10.
Have like a bell bottom
yeah, I see it.
action going on. The back.
I like that little flare, yeah, with this. That little extraness that we are going down this, so.
I picked it because I think it was just cute. You know, it's a cute little outfit. It's not like extremely revealing. It's just like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the bottom, give it a kick.
Yeah, you love the bottom.
Yeah, I just love the oversized look there.
Yeah.
Nice. Me give 10 out of 10. I love it.
Me give it 8 out of 10.
I know why.
She don't like the print.
Yeah.
She don't really like this
at
print.
1 point, and then the next point is a normal pant.
I always
It
like the print. But you know some love them print here.
Yeah, I know say you love leopard print. Yeah. Shami hates it. I like it, you know. It's something light. It's a cute date night dress up outfit. You feel like you have a lounge or the club or you know, a party even. You can dress this up. You don't have to wear the two together. But if you're going to pair it with something else, you can pair it with like solids. You know, pair lip with this and it party. But no, you're gonna say it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so so that was the first outfit. I got a 10 and an 8. Alright, not bad. Let's move on to the second.
Bad suit this.
Yeah, my mixed bad suits in there too.
Okay. Well, I like the bottom more than I like the top.
Yeah, the top is super simple.
I like the most about the bottom this.
You like the woven vibe, like
I get me it.
You got 6.
You know what me like that.
6? Okay.
I just this I bring it up. Without this is just a simple but.
Yeah.
So
But like the
this
skirt.
this by itself would I get an 8, but together is everything.
I get me it.
Yeah.
Because the color I like the cool pinkish vibes I want.
Yeah, with the
my color that.
yeah.
So
Yeah, it's a simple like bikini set, and then this is what really add, you know, the little spice to it.
Very spicy. What occasion is this for?
I feel like club.
But man,
Yeah, with this office looking cropped up, yeah.
no,
It's actually trending.
it's nice. You don't see the vision? I do.
Maybe I'm not style, but I like it.
Look here
The
now.
material feels, it's kind of itchy,
Come
but
here.
it feels strong.
I don't ask you how you feel. Yeah.
Feel like crocus bag.
Yeah.
It have that itchy material in.
Well, this is spicy indeed. But for me, I will give it a 9.
Because it's
It
not even
kinda-
a real panty, you know. Them just making here. If you notice, it connect like here, it cut off.
Oh.
So it's complete see-through right here,
Oh.
and then it catch back at the back.
Oh. It's really spicy. I thought it was
Yes, because it brown, I can't see. I think it was regular tights.
Yes, I can adjust. You can open up more. Oh, which out of
She
10?
not. Tell me she gonna say.
I
No, I know. From here she got on like, ah.
So this is not you wouldn't wear this.
I mean, that's too spicy for me, you know.
I really like it as myself. I feel like this is club or honestly, I don't know which one I'm gonna wear this
Else, a club me that thing too. Nice.
Alright, so this is the third outfit. So let me jump into the fourth.
Yeah.
This is very risky.
Yeah, risky.
Even 50 Shades. I think it's a 9.
You like it?
Yeah.
I did you like?
Yeah.
Adam, some that she like.
Naked knees.
Chop up.
What's that ugly? The bottom part kind of ugly.
Yeah.
It's too full.
Yeah.
Round that so yeah, me expect that something
It
else
should
should have
be a
gone.
song. For all
It's
this.
a shoesless vibe.
Go round.
Yeah, for all
Honestly,
that.
yeah, me not like it come off, so true.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah, more skimpy in the back.
Yeah.
Many things that will to the back. But I say, you know, I'm still get it because as I said, I feel like this can't even wear as a top.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
But
You can wear go one of them
intimate-
exotic
yeah.
like intimate resorts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shama said she don't know which part should I wear, but she definitely love it. She not say something.
So I'm going to put that in the next one.
Alright, I think the next one is the last one. Yes, so let's go.
Whoa, risky thing.
Risky body.
Carnival party.
Yeah, see the crushes on this one she has
A carnival party, me say.
You got this fashion over?
Yes. You like it?
Wow, I love it.
I love it too.
Oh my gosh, I love it. It's
6 years of our back on it. So, alright, now, risky now. But,
bad. You have to cover the Alright, I'm gonna give this a 10.
I them something you love.
Yeah. I think it's a 10. I love the fact that you could find this on Fashion Nova.
Yeah, it's like one of them limited finds.
That
like,
shot look like one machine and it done.
I'm not thinking for wash this. Don't wash this in a machine. You feel like it?
no,
It's
that's
look
not
adjust
yeah,
string.
the string that's
This just feel like a one wear to
I
me
want
too.
wear
Oh, where you gonna wear this girl?
carnival party.
Yeah. But wear some of that.
Yeah, car.
This risky.
What?
Yeah. 10
10.
and 10. Alright. Which one you gonna wear this girl?
One carnival party.
And the shots too? You
Yeah.
gonna wear the shots the same way?
Yeah, I wear a beach.
The shorts can wear it. Yeah, that was gonna say that.
Yeah, can't wear go beach too. Yeah, so that's a vibe.
It's
But
very
I
pretty.
really love the
Turn
top.
around. Yes, girl. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I really love this. This is my
Big
favorite.
panda with the top, yeah.
This is the final piece, so when I always say come on.
Come
You
on.
see, even if I want tights, my choices are this.
Yeah. This material feel like a tights with it would I look good too. It don't go together, you know. It didn't come together. I just see it and I got it.
And the tights could have been red, you know. You could have a red.
Yeah, a color to complement,
Yeah.
even blue.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there are many ways you can style the top. Top is definitely
Busty.
Carnival.
Yeah.
Carnival is right there, so it's next month.
And that?
Yeah, it's
That's
certain.
everybody get.
And if you could, you don't look like a costume if you get this with one fancy panty, like a rhinestone panty. You see it.
Yeah, that look
Yeah.
different.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I'll get one custom made feather.
Yeah.
You're good. Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is the final piece for this haul. How you guys like this haul?
Very spicy.
But yeah,
I
this
was
is it
told.
for this haul. So let's move on to the rest of the vlog. Let's go. Alright, so jump, change our wig and all that stuff. You guys know the vibes already. It's morning time and I'm about to, you know, head out to the gym. And I'm just checking in. Actually just got done with you know, sorting through some emails and all of that. I have quite a bit of editing to do when I reach home. So yeah, I'm definitely, let me take out my amino because I'm good for forget it. I really don't want to forget because why the battery just run down, sir? Jeez, put in my charge up everything once I reach home. Well, yesterday I charged up everything. Last night I make sure I just charge up everything. Sometimes it can just be a little bit like when I say lazy. When for them little something because it's like, oh, no, small stuff, and then when all the battery them dead now, it's like we should have charged everything. I must say I'm very grateful for everybody's tuning in so far to Suemmerthon. I am so grateful for you guys' support. It means a lot. You know, it's a lot of work, so much work. Because like why taking up all this work mid-year? But I mean, hey, I actually love it, you know. I actually do love it, but it's also a lot of work. But I do love it. I like them vibes, yeah. So, and oh, I don't think I physically did. I don't remember. But even if I did, I must tell you guys, thank you for 80K. It means a lot. You know, slow and steady does it. You know, it's been a while, but we're here and we're going all the way to 100K. You know, your girl's so grateful and humbled. Yeah, so thanks to everybody that's truly sticking around and truly supporting me. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Oh, and by the time you're seeing this vlog, is it yet the week? I don't know, but yeah, is it today that's the week sale? Oh my gosh, it's today that's the week sale. I just gotta try to check when the vlog here go live. Yes, so by the time you're seeing this, the week sale it's going to be live today. Yeah, it's going to be live at 6 p.m. so go ahead, check out Divinity Glam. Okay, support your girl. And yeah, everybody that been waiting to like get a chance to purchase a wig that I've had, okay, go ahead and check out Divinity Glam. But anyways, enough of my rambling. I'ma finish up with my green juice, and then I'm gonna take my amino, and then I'm gonna head out to the gym. So let's throw this all the way to today's gym session. Let's go.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody
gym. Come pick up my salad. I'm just make a stop at Fitness Junkies too. Let me see if them get my order, but come in a minute so I get no response from them. It was pretty nice at the gym today. Afternoon. You guys saw it? I didn't get hers. Oh, okay. I'm gonna just go back to Fitness Junkies and come back. Alright. Yeah. Fear them out going and so real quick. Please. Guys, man, I had to tell you a lie. Taking the amino energy was such a good idea, which me know that so I'm gonna take 2 scoops this morning. I felt everything, but it wasn't in a way where I could endure, like I could endure it same way everything. Anyway, keep the camera. Afternoon.
Long run now, red Corvette and my drop top down, calling up my Motorola and I'm speeding like I robbed someone, falling and I'm a whip, yeah, out in fast, going hard in the pit, yeah, I still ball in the pitch, yeah, something wrong with the picture, something is wrong with the way and I don't know why you need to lie, something is wrong with the way and I don't know why, how do you get by? Way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cashed else, I just wanted him to lose you.
So I'm just picking up an outfit, a fitness outfit, because you guys know that Fitness Junkies don't just do supplements, they have fitness clothing. Alright, I don't know, one top man I already just get a tights. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find a top. Yeah, because I just get a bottom. Let me see. Which one of these could I get? I have quite a bit of Fitness Junkies tops already. Then me a bottom down here, so. My vibe is usually like, you know, some bad, looks summery. Time hot. Feel like more go. Is this a small though? Is it a small? Yes, it's a small. Should I go with this? Should I? I should. I think I can. These are the male ones. And then they have gloves over here, so too. Alright, so we got those clothing pieces. So when I reach home, I'll show you those. I already gave you a haul in this vlog, right? Never want to give you so much haul. I don't know. I'll pick up the salad.